Hi, EDU 682 students. This is Dr. Legler, and I wanted to give you a preview of Week 1, which runs from June 7th through the 13th. This week we'll kind of focus on some foundational frameworks that you need to be familiar with related to educational technology, including the SAMR model and TPACK framework. This week, please read through this page as well as watch the videos and read through the readings that you see on this page. Every week I'll have a to-do list. On the to-do list for this week, please make sure that you read through the syllabus and let me know what questions you have about it by email after you've read through the syllabus. You also want to complete the video introduction right here. You'll need to complete that by Thursday, June 10th. Then you want to participate in the Discussion 1 SAMR, which is you'll need to post by 11:55 p.m. on Thursday, June 10th, and reply to at least 2 of your peers by 11:55 p.m. on Sunday, June 13th. If you click on this discussion, you'll see some prompts that you will need to address in your post. You don't necessarily have to address all of these prompts, but it will help you guide you in developing your post. I encourage you to make connections to your own experiences, as well as perhaps consider including outside sources. Please write in paragraph form instead of just answering each question. And then finally, you'll have an assignment that's due on Sunday, June 13th, called Assignment 1, Website Construction. I have a separate video that you see here that covers the instructions for the assignment, so please watch that when you get a chance. As you're working on the discussions or the assignment, please let me know what questions you have. I am very prompt about answering emails. If you need some help through Zoom, we can Zoom with each other. So I'm here to help, and I want you to get a lot out of this course. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I'll look forward to watching your video introductions and participating in the Discussion 1 and looking at the websites you created. Have a great week.